Python has many built-in functions. Absolute of -7 is 7. No value in this tuple has a Boolean value of true. And what is the character equivalent of 65? Capital A. This string 7 becomes the integer 7. Out of 2, 4 and 3.3, 4 is the highest. Let's try our hands on some of these. Ones and zeros. Write a function that takes in a binary number and determines whether it can arrange it in an alternating pattern of zeros and ones. This function takes a binary value in zeros and ones. It converts this into a string and gets the absolute value of the difference between the counts of the strings 0 and 1 in this binary. If this is less than 2, we can place them in an alternating fashion. So this returns true, otherwise false. This one, yes, no, yes, no. Easy lists. Can you write a function to create a list from a string without using the list inbuilt function? Why, yes, we can. Take a string and an empty list. Slice the entire empty list and assign the string to it. But since we do not assign it with square brackets, it assigns each letter in the string as one item in the list. Then return this list. So orange puts each of the 6 letters in the list mylist. Episodes. Write a function that takes a list of episode numbers, removes duplicates, and sorts them in an ascending order before returning the same. Creating a set from this list removes the duplicates. Then we create a list from this set and return a sorted version of it. Let's make a call to this function. It removes the duplicate values, which are 131 and 134. And what it returns is sorted in the ascending order. A number's rank. Write a function that counts the number of digits in an integer. Here we use the built-in str function to convert the number into a string, then get its length with the len function. 731 has 3 digits, 7313 has 4 digits, and the number 7 has 1 digit.